Today I'm reviewing two Warwick Store products that were gifted to me for my honest review. The first is a 2-pound bag of paper shred filler. This comes in 5 different colors. I have the natural color. This is great for filling your baskets or using it as a stuffer in your gift baskets to keep things from moving around or breaking. This 2-pound crinkle cut paper shred filler is very condensed in its packaging, but once you open it, as you can see, it will go a very long way in using it to make filler for your packaging. The next item is this double-faced satin ribbon. This is the white color, but it comes in many colors, at least 8, and this is a very high quality product. I actually probably needed fabric scissors to cut this. This would elevate any gift that you have, but as you can see, this is a nice touch to this gift basket. This ribbon is 1 inch wide and comes in a 30-yard roll, which would last you a very long time.